Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mystic Magic. Today I give review on Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel Kesar Chandan. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you always get notified when I upload any video. So without further delay, let's get started. This is a Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel Kesar Chandan. It says that it's an instant solution for pimples, wrinkles and glowing fair skin. This product has 60 milliliter of product in this tube at rupees 50, and we all love Patanjali aloe vera gel, and I think that is the best aloe vera gel in Indian market. So this product comes in normal clear plastic tube with a golden flip-flop cap. It is a nice small hygienic travel friendly tube. Also, according to me, the quality, this is really a cheap product. It has a medium gel texture that glides smoothly on skin. This is the gel texture, and it glides nicely in your skin. So it contains Chandan means sandalwood and Kesar means saffron in it. So it looks like a light yellow gel. See, it looks like a light yellow gel, and it also have a strong smell of saffron and sandalwood. The smell is very fresh, Ayurvedic kind of, that feels good, yet it is bit strong for sensitive nose, and I think it is little artificial smell, but it doesn't stay on skin. I am not a fan of sandalwood smell, still I like it. Gel bends easily on skin and it get absorbed quickly on skin. It feels extremely light and feel non-sticky and non-greasy. I have oily skin and it suits perfectly on me. That never make my skin oily. It provides instant fresh soothing skin, and also it provides a cooling effect to sunburn and calm down my skin. Aloe vera gel provides decent hydration to skin, which keeps skin moisturized nicely, but it's not enough hydrating for super dry skin. Formula is best for oily to normal skin that makes skin healthy instantly. But overall, it's really nice, work nice as a daily moisturizer that keeps skin soft without making it oily. I love to use it after a hot sunny day. It cools down my skin and provides a great freshness to it. I feel that is better than the any other aloe vera gel. I love its non-greasy finish on the skin. Let's first talk about its cons and pros. The con of this the pros of this Patanjali Saundarya Kesar Chandan Aloe Vera Gel is it's clear, hygienic, small tube, super affordable, lightweight formula, gets so absorbed quickly, provide instantly cooling and fresh pack, non-sticky, non-oily, provides good hydration to skin, keeps skin smooth, soft and healthy, cures sunburns and pimples, regular uses, reduce light spot, makes skin glowing and fresh, act as a base product, perfect one for oily to normal skin. And the cons for this Patanjali aloe vera gel is smell is bit strong and artificial, can't provide enough hydration to super dry skin, false fairness claim, works slowly on spot and pigmentation. So overall it's a nice product, but it makes um, but I didn't believe on its fairness claim, and I didn't have wrinkles, so can't comment about this. But it's make my skin soft and smooth instantly and gives a healthy glow. So overall, I will give this product 4.5 out of 5 because it's a very nice aloe vera gel of Patanjali, uh, which is very affordable. At 50 rupees you are getting 60 milliliter of product, so it's a thumbs up. Very good. So hope you like my video and review on this Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel Kesar Chandan. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. And if you have any question and doubt, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.